Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to fix Porkbun domain not propagating. So first, make sure that you didn't recently switch to another provider's name server, as this will break your domain's connection to web hosting from Porkbun. If you did recently assign third-party name servers and it broke your web hosting, switch back to our name servers if you haven't made such a change. Then log in and you should arrive at the domain management screen. If you're already logged in, click on Account in the top right corner and select Domain Management. Locate the domain you want to fix the hosting DNS records for. To the right of the domain is a block of icons. Click the green icon under the website column to go to the web hosting page. On the web hosting page for your domain, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see a section labeled Fix DNS Records. Within that section, click on the Fix DNS button, then click OK button on the window that pops up to confirm the change. And that's it. After this change is successful, wait a few minutes, then check to see if your website is resolving properly again. Thanks for watching.